Why does Grandpa always do this, Beetle?
Skippy's in here. Friendly reminder, guys, I also do amazing streams alongside my chugs, so make sure you guys go watch the streams. Show your boy some support. In the meantime, let's get these Diet Coke cans in here, bro. I also noticed on the can it says homie. It's pretty cool. But, yeah. We're gonna be chugging all this, and to make this chug as fast as possible, make sure to like this video, and subscribe or follow whatever platform you're on to increase the chances of this chug being incredibly fast. Alright. Last can going on in.
Alright, I'm about to count Grandpa down, Beatles. Here I go.
This chug is massive.
11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, and stop!
Holy frick.
One, Beatles, one! Save yourselves! Save yourselves!